Welcome students. Now students, today we will discuss current affairs from the date 8 February to 14 February. So we'll be covering mostly maximum of the current affairs which happened during this period. Now the first is India's first geothermal power project will be set up in which union territory? Now the options are Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Chandigarh, Puducherry. So the answer is Ladakh. So India's first geothermal power project will be set up at eastern Ladakh's Puga village. The village has been identified as the hotspot of geothermal energy in the country by the scientists. The project, known as Geothermal Field Development Project, is planned to be commissioned by the end of 2022. Question number 2. India signed an agreement with which nation for the construction of Satut Dam? So the options are Pakistan, Kazakhstan, Tajikistan and Afghanistan. So the answer is Afghanistan. India and Afghanistan on February 2021 signed a memorandum of understanding for the construction of Lalander, that is Satut Dam in Kabul. The Satut Dam is proposed to be constructed on the Kabul River Basin, which is one of the 5 river basins of Afghanistan. Question number 3. Who has been named as the leader of opposition in Rajya Sabha? Options are Mallikarjun Kharge, Anand Sharma, P. Chidambaram and Digvijay Singh. So the option is Mallikarjun Kharge. The Indian National Congress named party veteran Mallikarjun Kharge as the leader of opposition in the Rajya Sabha. The post will fall vacant with the retirement of veteran G.P. Ghulam Nabi Azad on February 15th. Next is question number 4. The Central Reserve Police Force has inducted 34 women commandos into which among its following unit? So the options are Cobra, Parliament Duty Group, Rapid Action Force, none of the above. So the answer is COBRA. So that is the Central Reserve Police Force, that is CRPF, inducted 34 women commandos into its specialized commando battalion for resolute action. So this is the full form, very important unit for the first time on February 7, 2021. The Cobra unit is skilled in guerrilla tactics and jungle warfare and is deployed in Naxal affected areas. It was raised in 2009. Question number 5. Which Indian short film is among the top 10 shortlisted films in live action category for the 93rd Academy Awards? So the options are Rasta, That Day After Every Day, Bypass and Bittu. So the answer is Bittu. So this film has been shortlisted for the 93rd Academy Awards in the live action category. Bittu has emerged among the top 10 candidates after the first round of voting, competing amongst 174 films across the globe. The film will now be subjected to the votes of members of the short films and animation branch to determine the shortlist and the nominees. Now question number 6. Nijomi Okonjo-Iweala is set to become the first female chief of WTO. She was the former finance minister of which nation? So the answer is Nigeria. Nigeria, she was the former finance minister of Nigeria. Now coming to question number 7. Robert Irwin has won the World Life Photographer of the Year 2020 award. What was the title of this photograph? So the options are Daydreaming, Bushfire, The Last Goodbye and The Close Encounter. So the answer is the bushfire. So this Australian's Robert Irwin, he was awarded the Natural History Museum Wildlife Photographer of the Year People's Choice Award 2020 for his drone image of bushfire in northern Australia. Robert's Irwin photo titled Bushfire shows a pristine conservation area on one side and blackened remains on the other. Question number 8. Which nation has announced an ambitious 10-year space program including 2023 moon mission? So the answer is Turkey. Turkey has announced, just wait. Yes, the answer is Turkey. So Turkey has announced this 10-year space program including 2023 moon mission. Question number 9. Which country plans to build the world's largest offshore wind farm? So the answer is South Korea. So South Korea it plans to build an 8.2 GW offshore wind farm in Jeonnam province by 2030. Which Arab nation's space probe successfully entered the orbit of Mars on February 9, 2021? So the answer is UAE, that is